Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW 1 Series in Fortnite. Currently, the BMW 1 Series car model is not directly available within the game. Fortnite often features its own unique vehicle designs, alongside occasional collaborations with real-world brands. These collaborations usually introduce specific vehicles or cosmetic items for a limited time, often through the item shop or special in-game events. While the BMW 1 Series isn't available, you can still enjoy driving many different vehicles in Fortnite. Most cars and trucks are found scattered across the island as you play. Simply approach a vehicle and interact with it to start driving. Keep an eye out for new updates, as Epic Games frequently adds or changes the types of vehicles available in different seasons and game modes, offering fresh experiences for everyone. Fortnite has a history of exciting collaborations, sometimes bringing licensed vehicles from other popular franchises into the game. These special events often introduce unique car bodies, decals, and other cosmetic items that players can acquire. If a real-world car brand were to appear, it would likely be available for purchase in the item shop using V-Bucks, or as a reward from a specific challenge or battle pass tier. To stay informed about any potential new vehicles or collaborations, including future real-world car partnerships, make sure to follow Fortnite's official social media accounts. The in-game news feed is also a great resource for immediate updates on new items and events. Additionally, engaging with the Fortnite community can provide early insights and discussions about upcoming content, so you won't miss a thing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.